So we got these blue fancy knives by Wanbasion. I call it Wanbasion. They gave you a sharpener. If you don't dry these, they're all gonna go rust. Well, rust. They're gonna deoxidize basically. So I've had colored knives before. The problem is you have to dry them. If you don't dry them, then they're gonna deoxidize and they're gonna look really bad. Okay, so all you have to do is just dry them. Let's see here. See, could be sharper. There's coarse and fine. You want to always go towards you, kind of on an angle. And you want to do it 10 times. At least that's what I do. And then go 10 times on the fine. A little better. Probably want to go again though. Alright, so these knives are fancy looking, but they're no substitute for really expensive German steel knives. They are stainless steel, but obviously the color part, it's basically done with the process of oxidation, I think it's what it's called. And of course, if you don't take care of them, then they will definitely not only dull, but you can fix the dullness, but they're gonna go and get on blotches and things like that. So are not expensive, so we'll give them that. Now in terms of what knives you have six steak knives right here. You have a bread knife. You have a paring knife. Also come with scissors, peeler, and as I said, all your steak knives. The base is blue. Now these come in red, white, gray, stainless steel look, whichever you want. And this is acrylic, so it's basically plastic. They look obviously incredibly amazing, like a showpiece really. So yeah, it's good. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has helped you make a decision.